Welcome back to Royal Wheels. The 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander marks the next evolution of the iconic SUV, blending luxury, performance, and innovation into one sleek package. Designed to cater to modern families, adventure seekers, and anyone who values versatility, the Grand Highlander promises an elevated driving experience. With its striking presence, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, this new SUV sets a high standard for what an all-around family vehicle should be. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand Highlander delivers a range of powertrains that ensure a thrilling yet refined ride. From a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine to a robust hybrid option, it provides both power and efficiency. With Toyota's well-known reliability and smooth handling, drivers will enjoy seamless acceleration and responsive handling whether navigating city streets or embarking on a long road trip. Its adaptive suspension system ensures comfort without compromising driving dynamics, making every journey a pleasure. Exterior design. The exterior design of the 2025 Grand Highlander is bold and modern, combining sharp lines with a sculpted profile that commands attention. The wide, aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic shape not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve efficiency and performance. The vehicle's stance is both confident and refined, offering a perfect balance between rugged capability and urban sophistication. Large, multi-spoke wheels and sophisticated chrome accents further elevate its commanding road presence. Interior design. Inside, the 2025 Grand Highlander offers a spacious, tech-forward cabin designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. With 3 rows of seating, the Grand Highlander comfortably accommodates up to 8 passengers, offering ample legroom and an intuitive layout. Premium materials, including soft touch surfaces and leather options, create an upscale ambiance. The tech suite includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, ensuring you're connected no matter where you go. A range of features like a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and available massaging seats make the Grand Highlander a sanctuary on the road. Fuel efficiency. Efficiency is a core strength of the 2025 Grand Highlander, especially with the hybrid variant, which blends powerful performance with remarkable fuel savings. The hybrid system allows for a more eco-friendly driving experience without sacrificing power, making it perfect for long drives or everyday commuting. With its impressive miles per gallon (mpg) rating, the Grand Highlander ensures you spend more time on the road and less time at the pump. The 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander is a masterclass in what an SUV should be: powerful, stylish, and efficient, with an interior designed to cater to every family member. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or navigating city traffic, the Grand Highlander delivers a blend of luxury, space, and practicality. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, redefining what it means to be on the road.